Is your PS5 randomly crashing or shutting off completely right in the middle of a boss fight? Don't panic because your console isn't broken. It is likely just protecting itself from a hardware glitch. Welcome back to TechVibes. Usually, this happens when the power supply unit overheats or the console experiences a sudden drop in voltage while running demanding next-gen games. Let's get your system stabilized with these 10 advanced solutions. Step 1. Perform a deep power cycle. Unplug the power cord from the wall and the back of your PS5. Hold the power button down for 30 seconds to drain the internal power supply capacitors. Wait 20 minutes before plugging it back in to reset the internal sensors. Step 2. Clean the hidden power supply vents. Take off the white faceplates and look for the honeycomb-shaped holes near the bottom. Dust buildup here is the leading cause of the PS5 turning off by itself because the power supply cannot breathe. Use a vacuum to pull the dust out. Step 3. Plug your console directly into a wall outlet. Surge protectors and power strips can often fail to provide the high wattage needed when the PS5 boosts its performance for heavy games. A direct wall connection ensures a stable flow of electricity. Step 4. Check your HDMI 2.1 port and cable. A faulty HDMI handshake can actually send a shutdown command to your console. Try a different high-speed cable or a different port on your TV to rule out a signal short. Step 5. Disable the HDMI device link. Go into your system settings and turn off the link that allows your TV to control your console. Sometimes a glitchy TV software update will tell your PS5 to power down whenever the screen refreshes. Step 6. Rebuild your database in safe mode. Hold the power button until you hear a second beep to enter the recovery menu. Select option 5 to reorganize your data, which stops system-level crashes during heavy gameplay. Step 7. Clear the system software cache. While in safe mode, choose the option to wipe the temporary cache files. This removes corrupted data that might be causing the processor to spike and trigger a safety shutdown. Step 8. Position your console horizontally. If you usually keep it vertical, the internal cooling materials can sometimes shift over time. Laying it flat can improve thermal contact and stop the heat-related crashes. Step 9. Turn off rest mode. Many users report that background updates during sleep mode can cause the power delivery system to hang. Disable all rest mode features in the power-saving menu to keep the system stable. Step 10. Update your system firmware. Even if you think you are current, check for a manual update in the system menu. Sony frequently releases patches specifically designed to address power stability issues in high-performance titles. For a quick bonus tip, try removing any external hard drives or USB hubs. A faulty external SSD can draw too much power from the ports, causing the entire console to shut down to prevent a motherboard short. If you are still facing any difficulty with your PS5 shutting off, please leave a comment below. I am monitoring this video and I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more expert fixes. Your console is a beast, and with these steps, you will be back to gaming without any interruptions.